Wait, stop. You've just finished that song and you're eager to get it uploaded to DistroKid, but there's 5 things that you need to do before you even upload that track. Hey, what's going on? It's JP. Welcome to the channel. If you've never been here before, we talk about live streaming, live looping, and all the things that you need for a modern musician. So have a look through the channel, click subscribe, and then you'll know when the next video is out. Loads of people want to upload their track as fast as humanly possible, but forget these 5 essential things you need to do before you even upload. Now, these 5 tips are actually for any distribution, but we use DistroKid here on the channel, and they're the channel sponsor, and they're sponsoring this video. If you want to grab yourself a DistroKid account, we can give you 7% off your first annual membership with them. Just click the link in the description box. It's also that QR code. Now, the first thing you need to check is the metadata. This sounds so obvious, but people have made mistakes even regarding the artist name, the title of the track, the release date that you want, and any featuring credits. That's important because if you've got someone who is featured, maybe as an artist or as a musician, or maybe you've got someone remixing the track, you need to make sure you've got them written down in the right way. Typos and formatting issues can cause delays in your release, and that's something you definitely don't want. If you're lucky enough to have recorded in someone else's studio and you need to make sure that you're crediting them, make sure you've got the right information. Number 2 is don't use MP3. You'll be so surprised how many people want to upload their track, they get an MP3 version and try and upload it. What you need is WAV, WAV, or FLAC, FLAC. And you want to make sure that this is in the highest quality possible. This is actually to ensure that all the different streaming sites around the world get the highest quality. The big distributors like Spotify and Apple Music actually require now lossless music. This is to ensure that their listeners have a fantastic experience. Now, the third thing is actually registering your song with the performing rights organization. This is completely separate from distribution. It protects your rights and ensures royalties for things like radio play, or if you're going to do a live performance of it. If you're the songwriter or composer, register the song with the performing rights organization, or PRO. Someone like PRS, ASCAP, or BMI, to make sure that you get paid performance royalties. Remember, this is separate from distribution. Number 4 is kind of an easy one if you're with DistroKid, but if you're not, you need to make sure that you've got the right ISRC codes and UPC codes. If this song has been out somewhere else and you've used a different distributor, then they would have assigned what's called an ISRC code. This is International Standard Recording Code. This is like the digital fingerprint to your song. A UPC, or Universal Product Code, is actually used for things like a whole album, but it's also used for releases for a single as well. These codes are essential to track the streams and even track the sales of physical copies as well, and therefore getting people like DistroKid to grab your royalties for you. And the 5th one is set a realistic goal. Even though DistroKid is one of the fastest to upload your track and get it out there in the world, you need to give yourself what I call the 2-month promotion rule. If you've got an album coming out, say the 1st of June, then you should be uploading that on the 1st of May. 1 whole month before. This gives it time to be sent out to all the different distribution places, which there are loads. You may just be thinking of Spotify, Apple Music, and a couple of the others, but there's loads around the world. There's about 160, 170 different sites. Plus you've got things like social media, so if you want to start promoting that song in things like Instagram and Meta, you need to give it time to be on those platforms. The links are all correct, and it just makes your life a lot easier. Then when the 1st of June rolls around, of course, hopefully you should have a lot of Spotify pre-saves, and that should give the algorithm a nice big push. And month 2 of the 2-month rule is you going into full-blown promotion mode. Being able to utilize things like Meta and Instagram and Facebook, and making stories, making the promo cards you get with DistroKid, and making cool little reels about the song, and giving yourself an entire month's worth of promotion for that single or that album or that release. Now, as long as you've done those 5 things, then you're going to be able to upload this to DistroKid really easily and then get your release out and have a great time. Remember, you can get 7% off your first annual membership with the link that's come up on screen, and also it's in the description box below. As of recording this, it's May of 2025, so therefore you can release as much music as you want to until May of 2026. And think about all the different songs you could do right from now, the summer, autumn, winter, Christmas, the new year, and then into 2026 as well. So click the link. Thank you very much to DistroKid for sponsoring this video. And if you want to see how I take a live stream and turn that into an album, have a look at this video right here.